going to be super chaotic because I barely have time to do this whole get ready with me slowly. I'm like super late, but okay, we have to do fast. I'm going to start by prepping my lips with this peptide lip balm from Hyphen. This has been my go-to recently. I carry it everywhere. It really softens and smoothens the lips. Next, I'm going to use two primers from Smashbox. One is their primer water and the other one is the OG silicone based primer, which I apply on my nose area, my forehead, my chin and under my eyes. The under my eyes part I've been doing recently to give my base more of a good smooth start. Now Smashbox has really hit the ball out of the park with this product. I mean, I was a no base girl, like no foundation, nothing, but after I tried this product, there's no going back. Absolutely love it and would recommend to anybody. Little expensive but so worth it, This is the Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer, and with this one product you won't even need any base illuminating product. This is it. Then I'm going to go with my usual concealer routine. If you're new to my channel, you don't know, but I apply this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is a little bit darker for my skin tone, and then I follow it up with a brightening concealer and then I set it. But today, before I add the brightening concealer, I'm going to go in with the blush first. So for blush, I'm using this Rare Beauty blush. Now Rare Beauty, I mean, what will I say? The whole world raves about it. The only drawback that I have found in the product is it's not super long lasting, but if you set it with a little bit of powder blush, then you are good to go. The glow that this product gives along with the pigmentation, it's beautiful. It really looks beautiful on the skin. Then I'm going to follow it up with my brightening concealer. This is from K Beauty. I mean, Katrina Kaif has done a good job with her makeup brand. This concealer is medium to full coverage. It depends on how much you build it up. And I'm doing this step after I apply the blush because I want sort of a more seamless finish to the base. It looks really good once you fuse the concealer part with the blush part, if you know what I mean. Next, I will set it with some loose powder, but before I set my concealer, I have to blend out the under eye area one more time so that no creases are formed. Then I will move to the eyes. So this is one of my OG palettes. This is the Makeup Revolution X Tammy palette, and I took the very yellow gold shade, and I'm going to just apply that on my inner corners to give it that shine, the yellow shine, and it kind of matches the sari that I'm wearing today. Thing about shimmer shades is if you are applying with a brush, make sure to build it up because the pigmentation does not always translate. On the other hand, if you use your finger, then the pigmentation translates really quickly, like I just showed you here. Look at how the pink comes through when I'm applying it with my finger versus when I was applying it with a brush. Next, I'm going to use a blush for my transition shade. This is from Maybelline Fit Me. The shade will be mentioned below. Maybelline knows its makeup. I mean, they provide good makeup for the price that you have to pay. So yeah, this is a nice warm pink shade which worked really well as a transition shade, by the way. I also applied a little bit of a light brown shade to add more depth and fuse the entire look together. Next, I'll be taking this light pink shimmer shade from the Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors a Brave palette. This is my OG palette, my most favorite palette. Like, I can create 10-15 different looks from this. Anyways, I applied that on the middle of my lids and went on to adding some more color. So this is a green eyeliner and I wanted to go with a green eyeliner. I don't know if my camera is picking it up correctly, but yes, I wanted to add a little bit more color but not too out there. I could have gone for blue, but I went for green because it wasn't too out there. Then I applied black kajal, which is a very signature Bengali thing to do, and smudged it out with some brown eyeshadow. and that was sort of the end of my eye makeup. Then I went ahead and applied some bronzer. Now there are two reasons why I applied bronzer. One, because this is a morning look and I want a little bit of warmth to my face, and second, because it's the onset of summer, so I wanted to give the look that kind of a summery feel along with whatever is going on. So I applied a little bit of bronzer to my cheekbone area, jaw area, and contoured a little bit of my nose. Then I went ahead with the Maybelline blush and set my cream blush and fused it with the bronzer. Look at how my cheek area looks so vibrant and chiseled out at the same time, if you can understand what I mean. Okay, if you haven't tried liquid highlighter, maybe you can give this a try. I mean, I always like trying different variations of the same product, so I have tried powder highlighter, I wanted to try liquid highlighter, and I'm not going back. Like, the glow that a liquid highlighter gives, I mean, it doesn't feel chunky. It looks like you're glowing from within, which is a huge plus point, and a little bit goes a long way. I don't usually do my brows and I didn't even have much time, so I just combed it out with a spoolie and went ahead with my lips. This is a lip liner from K by Katrina. It's a dark brown shade. I'll mention the shade in the description box. The only thing I feel about this lip liner is that even though the pigmentation and everything is great, it sets too easily. Now this might not be a downside for you, but I wish I could smudge it a little bit. But okay, maybe I'm being a little too picky, but yeah. Next, I'm going with this rosy pink shade from Chambord. Like, the packaging, it broke, like the case, it broke, but me and my mom, we love this shade, so we keep using this. And then I'll just add a little bit more definition with the lip liner and go ahead with this Rare Beauty blush in the center. This is a trick you can try with your liquid blushes. It creates an added definition and also glow in this case. It's not too glossy, but there's a shine which I like. Next, I'll just curl my lashes and add a volumizing mascara. This one's from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I am more of a volumizing person compared to a lengthening mascara person. Then I'll just add some earrings and my look is complete. Love, love, love it. Let me know what you guys think, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.